Let us study the problems on the lens. So refraction of light through the lens. So here is one problem. A concave lens. So lens is a concave. So concave lens has only two possibilities. One is object is at infinity and second one is object is in between infinity and the O. So generally whenever the object is at infinity, image will form at the focus. The question may not ask on this. So here the question surely be for the concave lens, that is the object is in between infinity and O. That is the last case which we have studied. A concave lens has focal length 15 centimeter. As the word concave means focal length is negative. So it is f is minus 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed? At what distance the object from the lens be placed? So here you have to find the u where the object is placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens. It forms an image at a 10 centimeter from the lens. Now here it is not given either the image is forming to the left and right, left or right, so that you must know. So here v is 10 centimeter, but either minus or plus. So when the object in the concave case, in concave lens, the image is always from the virtual and erect. Means the image formation is in the same side of that of object. So it is minus. So here v is minus 10 centimeter. Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Sometimes the question will be asked, draw the possible ray diagram for this. So this will be a ray diagram. Object, as we have studied in the last heading, object is in any position between infinity and O. This is a concave lens. Then the image will form in between F1 and O. It is virtual and erect image. Now here I already said to you that here is a concave lens. So the image is virtual, erect and on same side of object. Image is virtual, erect and on same side of the object. Means image distance, that is v equal to minus 10 centimeter. For concave lens, the focal length is minus 15 centimeter. We have to find the u, that is object distance. What is the formula? Here the lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So we want 1 by u means this u term. So 1 by u will be 1 by v minus 1 by f. Shifting this term to this side. So 1 by u equal to 1 by, what is v value? V value will be minus 10. Minus of this formula. And what is focal length? It is minus 15. So minus become plus. So this is minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. On solving this by taking LCM as 30, it is minus 3 plus 2. It is equal to 1 by u. So 1 by u equal to minus 1 by 30. Hence the u will be minus 30. So u value is minus 30. As u is negative means it will be to the left side, means on the same side of the object. What is the magnification formula for the lens? So that is v by u. So m equal to, what is v value? V value is minus 10. U value is minus 30. So minus get cancelled. It is 1 by 3. This is plus 0.33. So here magnification is 0.33. But magnification is equal to h dash by h. Means here image height is 1/3 of the object height. Image height is 1/3 of the object height. And how the image is? Image is virtual and erect. This is the ray diagram for this as per our discussion. This is the next problem based on the lens. Student, you have to read or watch these problems again and again and also rewrite this problem with the ray diagram. Now, if you drawn twice this ray diagram by using the geometrical instrument, Now you can try to draw this diagram by the freehand if you want. A 2 centimeter tall object. 2 centimeter tall object means this is H. Is placed perpendicular to the principal axis. Always object is held perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. Now convex lens means earlier case, convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Now focal length is 10 centimeter. Now lens is a convex, so focal length will be a plus 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter, means this is object distance, that is u is 15 centimeter, but u is always taken as negative, so it is minus 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of image. Nature means it is either virtual and erect or real and inverted. Position means V, and size of the image means either magnified or diminished. Also find its magnification. So you have to use both the formula. One is lens formula and another one is the magnification formula. So as I said to you while reading this problem, while studying this problem, H is plus 2 centimeter. Focal length for the convex lens is plus 10 centimeter. U is minus 15 centimeter. Here we have to find V and H dash. Using the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V equal to 1 by U plus 1 by F. 1 by V equal to 1 by, what is U value, minus 15 plus 1 by 10. So it will be minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. So here LCM is taken as 30. So 1 by V equal to, it is minus 2 plus 3. So it will give you plus 1 by 30. Hence V value is plus 30 centimeter. As V is plus 30 centimeter means image is formed on the right. So here V is positive. Since V is positive in case of lens means the image form is real and inverted. Now magnification we have to calculate. So H dash by H is equal to, for lens, V by U. For mirror it was minus V by U. So magnification is H dash by H equal to V by U. So we have to find here the height of the image. Since height of the object is given, so H dash is equal to H V by U. So height of image H dash is equal to, H is 2 into V value is plus 30 and U value is minus 15. So solving this you will get, it is minus 4 centimeter. So here magnification is, what is magnification? So here height of the image is minus 4 centimeter. Height of object was 2 centimeter, means here image is double in size and it is inverted. Now calculate the magnification. Magnification is V by U. So V value is 30 and U value is minus 15. So magnification will be negative. So magnification is negative means the image is inverted. Inverted with word real and inverted. Calculation of this will be 2. So magnification will be minus 2. This is the ray diagram for this problem, because here the object is in between F1 and 2F1. Why F1 and 2F1? Because here focal length was given as 10 centimeter. As the focal length is 10 centimeter, as the focal length is 10 centimeter, this distance will be twice of focal length, 2F1. So 2F1 value in this case will be a 20 centimeter, but U is just 15 centimeter. It means object is in between F1 and 2F1. Once you understood the location of object, you can draw the ray diagram for this. So here object position is between F1 and 2F1. So image will be beyond 2F2. As the object position between F1 and 2F1, so image will be beyond 2F2 and it will be enlarged in size. Now this is the next heading of this chapter. What is power of lens? This power of lens is nothing but the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by lens is called power of lens. Like this is the definition for the human eye also. Human eye having the ability of convergence and divergence. Like this is ability of your lens of convergence and divergence of light rays is called power of lens. So this is the definition of power of lens, the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by lens is called power of a lens. Means this is ability of lens, how much to converge, how much to diverge. If the ability of convergence or divergence is very large, means power is very large. If ability of convergence, divergence is less, then the power is less. It is the reciprocal of its focal length of lens. It is found that this power of lens is the reciprocal of its focal length. Hence the formula for the power of lens is 1 by f. Here the f must be in SI system. So focal length must be in meter. Focal length must be in meter. If the focal length is in meter, the power of the lens is measured in diopter. It is denoted by capital D notation. It is the name of a scientist. So SI unit is diopter. It is denoted by capital D. Now you have one question in your textbook. What is 1 diopter? Power of a lens. When power is said to be a 1 diopter, it may be a positive or negative. This positive and negative sign of this power of lens depend upon the focal length. If focal length for the concave lens is negative, means power is negative for concave lens. Focal length is positive for convex lens, means power is positive for convex lens. What is 1 diopter power? When focal length is 1 meter, then power is said to be a 1 diopter. So it is the power of a lens having focal length 1 meter. So 1 diopter power of a lens means it is the power of such lens which having the focal length of 1 meter. Power of convex lens is positive and power of concave lens is negative. This I already said to you that because power of lens depends upon the sign of focal length. Now opticians prescribe the corrective lens for your spectacles with such sign plus and minus. They are also not writing this unit. This unit in their prescription we have to consider as a diopter. In our physics we are writing every physical quantity with a proper unit. So in prescription, so unit is not given, but the unit is this diopter. What the plus and minus sign to the spectacles lens denotes? This plus sign denotes the lens is convex and minus sign denotes the lens is concave. So plus sign denotes the lens is convex and minus sign denotes the lens is concave. Where we have to use the convex lens in the spectacles and where we have to use the concave lens in the spectacles, that is given your next chapter. So that we are going to study in detail. Now, if 2 or more lenses are placed in contact, if one lens is kept in contact with the another, for example, whenever the doctor search the spectacle number, mistaking the eyes, so he places in front of your eyes in one frame one lens kept in contact with the another, another, next, sometimes 2 lenses are kept in contact. So in that case the effective power of a lens is the sum of the power of lens. Suppose one lens is kept of suppose plus 3 diopter and another lens is kept of minus 0.25 diopter, means net power will be plus 2.75 diopter. So like this. So it is the sum of the power of that combinations of the lens. So net power is P1 plus P2 plus so on whenever the more lens, 2 or more lens are placed in contact. So this is equivalent power or net power. Similarly, based on this, net focal length is a sum of reciprocal of the focal length. So 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1